Start at spark.ddsb.ca. Here you will find a link to PowerTeacher right on the main page. Log in using the same username and password that you would log into a school computer with. Once in PowerTeacher, on the left-hand side, you will see the Launch button for Gradebook. Keep this file. Once downloaded, launch Gradebook. You will have to accept the risk to run the application. Once in Gradebook, ensure you're in the proper quadmester and year. Also make sure that you are in the correct reporting term. For full credit courses, R1 is the midterm for Quadmester 1 and Q1 is the final for Quadmester 1. If you don't see all your students or something isn't migrating to Gradebook from PowerTeacher, click on File and Refresh Class Info.